guys, Sadresha Sade here, and tonight I'm going to be doing a unboxing, but I've already opened it and like fixed it, so not really an unboxing, but it's back in the package so it won't get messed up before the Beyonce concert Friday. If you have any questions about this look, I'm going to post this look on my Instagram. I also did an Instagram live while doing the eye look, so yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this look, go ahead and head over to my Instagram. But what we're really here for is, one, this is a synthetic wig, and it's a bomb synthetic wig at that. So this is the Sensationnel Empress lace wig in matte lavender. So this wig is a bob wig. I got it from Sam's Beauty. I'll leave the link down below. I got it from Sam's Beauty, and it's in T1B matte lavender. You can't really see it, but yeah, so this is the wig out the box. Try that again. I did receive some shedding. Is it shedding now? Girl, you can't be doing all this. Just gonna go ahead and put it on, and then come back when I put it on, tell you all the details, the pros, the cons, how I feel about it, that sort of thing. Alright, so this is what the wig looks like on, like the way it's supposed to be styled. So what I did, I didn't have to tweeze the part. The part is actually pretty nice. Hopefully you guys can see it from there. So I added a little flesh colored, I added a little flesh colored powder to the part to make it look a little more realistic and pop a little bit more. But yeah, this is how it looks straight out the pack. My unit sheds quite a bit. Maybe it was because I attempted to tweeze, but I did it like twice, so I don't know why it's shedding so bad. And the way it's flipped, like I really like this side, but the way this side is, like it came like this, and it kind of bothers me because it's not like that same volume on this side. So that's the side I took behind my ear, so I'll show you how that goes. So the make of the wig, there's a comb, two combs here, don't really use, comb in the back, and then the adjustable straps. So I didn't cross them this time. I ain't trying to get a headache because I'm wearing this wig to see Beyonce and Chloe and Halle, and I ain't trying to have a headache while I'm getting my life. So we need to make sure it's secured, okay? Let's not get confused. It's secured, but I'm not trying to be in there with a headache. What else? Shedding, annoying. Color, I love it. The fact that I don't have to do anything with it, love it. So let me get another battery, and then I'm gonna come back with the way I'm gonna style it for the concert on Friday. Okay, so I had to switch the battery, and then I went and styled it how I would slay this wig. So yeah, I think it still looks pretty normal this way, but let me come up. Okay, so what I did, I laid my edges and then just tucked it behind my ear, just like that, and this is basically how it looks. So yeah, if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, just leave them down below in the comment section. And yeah, so this is all I got for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video.